Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm still not used to this all YouTube thing. Please bear with me for some of the starting videos. So today I'm getting ready for a shoot. I'm just gonna blabber and yap. So come along. Honestly, it's so hard shooting for me because I've never done YouTube. I'm just little scared of how things works and it's just so difficult for me to balance out Instagram and YouTube. But I just started out. It's better late than never. Currently I'm doing my makeup and also I'm talking to you guys about a lot of other things. I've been just, you know, not feeling like posting on Instagram lately because I just don't feel like it's giving me the amount of results that I actually seek. The reels that actually I put so much effort in, they don't blow up. And the reels that I create in like seconds, they just automatically get blown. Like, I'm just so shocked. What algorithm is this, Instagram? And well, because we do brand deals and everything, the reach definitely gets a little bit more slowed down. And I just hate the part of it because it questions your worth so much as a creator. I am just so glad that I started out YouTube because I can talk more openly, I can be more real with who I am, and I can talk to you guys more properly here. I just don't need to filter out my thoughts, filter out what I'm going to say. It's just raw and real, and that's the best part of it. As a creator, you have to do like makeup daily. I have so many brand shoots sometimes that I have to shoot daily, and doing makeup every day is so exhausting. And I've just started using concealer. I don't want to use foundation because I don't want foundation to go on my skin every single day. So yeah, that's why I've thought to give Instagram a little breather so that it revives again. I genuinely want my reach to get better. But I know for a fact that my work is good. I know. And that is why I never doubt myself. I know I'm doing good. I know my work is great. But sometimes reach just makes you question yourself and you just get in the loop. And well, talking about makeup, I am just applying my blush. I don't like to apply pigmented blush a lot because I feel doing regular makeup, I want to use as minimal products as I can so that it does not destroy my skin. So yeah, that's the thing. Today we have a shoot. I'm gonna shoot for like two products today. Both of them are brand deals. Some days I don't feel like shooting. I just had to get myself out of bed to shoot. I was just procrastinating. I was watching the Summer I Turned Pretty episode number 8, Last Kiss. And oh my god, I love the episode. I love Conrad and God, I just can't wait for another episode to come. I just can't. This was one of the best episodes ever. I have this weird habit that I'll keep on applying blush. I'll just keep on doing it. I have blush blindness, but I just always feel like the blush I apply is always less. I keep on doing it again and again. Okay, so let me tell you a little story. Before I apply my mascara, I was in 8th grade when a teacher asked to me in between a class that have you applied mascara on your eyes? I was like, no, I have not. That time I didn't even know how to do makeup. But guys, this is something about me you guys should know. I already have curled eyelashes. Just born with it. I have curled eyelashes. I'll give you a look. I'm using this eyeshadow palette by Mars. My friend gifted to me on my birthday and I really like the colors here. This is so convenient for you to use. All of these colors are like basic ones that you use usually. It just goes with mostly all of your outfits and you need a basic color eyeshadow palette and I feel this is genuinely really nice. Okay guys, not kidding. This eyeshadow palette is so pigmented. I literally have to like remove a layer of it because it was too pigmented. Okay, so I'm gonna apply contour because I feel my look really needs it. Also, fun fact, I as a person, I don't know how to do like advanced makeup look. Like I've always been doing this basic makeup look and this works totally best for me. I don't like putting too much makeup on my skin, but I genuinely want to learn makeup like properly. and this can be one of my goals for this year. Also, when you apply contour, your eyes just instantly looks bigger. So yeah, I've been thinking about experimenting a little bit with Instagram also lately. I also mean to answer a lot of questions that I posted on Instagram. I'm gonna answer. You guys actually had a lot of questions regarding content creation. Yes, before you guys rate my makeup look, please think of me as a beginner. I personally am not great at makeup. But yeah, it was a good talking session with everyone. YouTube is such a nice platform. You get to talk to so many people and you get to post like long form content that I actually like, and I always love talking, and that is why I started YouTube. I know it is very new to me, but talking feels so natural and I'm genuinely enjoying it, and I'm meaning to post many more videos like these. So I hope you guys stay tuned. Please subscribe me. This is gonna be so much fun creating content for you guys. I'm using the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. This is so good. I genuinely feel this is like in every girl's vanity, I feel. This makeup actually turns out so good. It looks well on my skin and it always works for all my shoots. Thank you guys for being here, for listening through my app and being there till I did my makeup. I can't wait to do this again with you guys. Bye.